Good afternoon, class. My name is Afrin, and today I'm here with a case study, with a new case study, and the name of the company is Mega Limited. इस कंपनी ये कंपनी है मेगा लिमिटेड नाम की, जो मैन्युफैक्चर करती है वाटर हीटर. जब इसने अपना फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन ऑपरेट किया, they find that the revenue earned by the company is just sufficient to earn the cost. Next, was just sufficient to meet the cost. To increase the revenue, the company analyzed the reason behind the less revenue. So, can you tell me what are the reason of less revenue, anyone?
Any reason in your mind?
Any reason?
Why the company is earning less
What are the
revenue?
reason behind less revenue?
Because the cost of production was very high.
Yes, the cost of production was very high. The management analyzed the reason behind the less revenue. After analyzing it, they find that they decided to reduce the labor cost by shifting the manufacturing area to a backward area where the labor were available in a very less price, less cost. After that, the second step they decided to take is to reduce the production of electricity water heater. इससे क्या होगा कि जब वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाटर हीटर का प्रोडक्शन रिड्यूस करेंगे, एंड दे डिसाइडेड टू इंक्रीज द प्रोडक्शन, दे डिसाइडेड टू प्रोड्यूस सोलर वाटर हीटर. सोलर वाटर हीटर वो डिसाइड किए मैन्युफैक्चर करने का. तो
First, the company has decided for the cost cutting.
कॉस्ट, यस मैम, टू
So
रिड्यूस द
the
कॉस्ट.
company has shifted to some backward area
यस मैम.
to get the cheap labor or low cost labor. And the second is
They decided to manufacture.
solar water heaters.
They decided to reduce the production of electricity water heater
Okay.
and start manufacturing solar water heater.
Okay.
So reduce the production water heater. This will not only help in covering the risk, but also help in meeting other objectives.
Okay.
The first, there is two questions there.
Mhm.
The first one is
Identify and
identify and explain the
objectives.
objective of management discussed above. So anyone can tell me?
Increase its profitability.
I guess.
Cost of efficiency.
Reducing the cost of the various productions and making the product eco-friendly.
Yes.
And the main thing is to enhance the profitability because the company is working on break-even and break-even.
Make it
point.
even
Only
and
they are able and capable to realize the cost. Okay.
so the it will help not only to increase the profitability, but also in other objective, like they increase their social responsibility. The idea of manufacturing solar water heater will also make them long-term running business. Or the second one is state any true value which the company wanted to communicate to society.
Okay. Any idea, class?
Economic support to the people who is unemployed.
Yes.
Okay, that is the point. It is a relevant point. The company will generate employment.
The company will generate employment. The product is eco-friendly.
Energy conservation is the
Yes, it will increase the profit of the business. And it also help the people who were not getting jobs. It will help
company is also thinking about some corporate social responsibility.
responsibility. So the recommendation of this case study is that the company has to train the employees properly in a very well manner, because they are from backward areas, so they will
Enhance their skill to.
they will contribute more to they will invest more to train them. And the second, they focus on the quality, because they come from the backward area, so there is a lack of training,
proper skill.
proper skills. So that's why they will focus on the quality of the product. And the third one is they will also provide them some kind of medical facilities and other things.
It is related with employee well-being.